Hey everybody, welcome back. Today we are going to show you how we can send voice messages on Discord using a PC. So let's just jump right into it. So we can start by opening up Discord. Go to your browser and head over to discord.com and open up the Discord. And once you open up Discord, what you may do is you may just go over to one of the servers where the voice message is enabled. So the thing is, Discord does not allow voice messages in every server, every channel. Voice messages only work if the server owner has enabled the feature and the channel allows message attachments, or you are using the Discord application. So you can just go over and do so. So for that, once you go over to the channel, you can just go over and look out for voice option here. So the admin should be allowing that permission, then only you will be getting the voice message here. Or you can click on this plus option and select the option to create voice message. You can just go over and do so. And you can look out for it sometime. Just refreshing the Discord should also work. You can press Ctrl+R and that should refresh your Discord. You can just go over and do so. If not that, you can look out for DM or server channel. So voice messages work in DMs or group chats or even some servers enabled. So let's head over to DM, look out for the DM option in the top left and select it. From there, go over to one of the chats available. So you can just go over, and once you're in the chat, you may look out for the voice message option available if there is any, and just go over and do a voice message. And you can look out for the microphone icon. You can just go over and do so, and so send a voice message. You can click and hold the microphone. You can speak into a microphone and release the button, and your voice message should be sent. And that's it. All of the voice messages may not have this feature, so if you're trying to do so, you cannot sometimes, but if not on PC, you can try it out on your mobile device. And that's how we can send voice messages on Discord using a PC. So do not forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.